So let me just get to the main point, which is how does his school prepare students for what is India's biggest area where musicians are required, which is cinema. All the damn woods, Bollywood, sandalwood, this wood, that wood. So tell me, do you people also find that you can help musicians who want to get into the film industry, or you're only making independent musicians who make their own thing?
I don't think we teach people any
special skills for
special
cinema.
skills. I mean, we could,
but you never thought of that as a, because a whole bunch of guys will come screaming down the highway to join you the minute you say
yes,
pass us, and you'll be in with Bollywood or Hollywood.
Well, I'll give you an example and then I'll answer your question. So there was this guitarist called Takar Nabam, who plays for a band called Guillotine. Brilliant guy who studied in SAM for a year.
Okay.
Prasanna was meeting Rahman to chalk out things for the MTV Coke Studio, which is coming up. And he said, you know what, you should check out this guitarist. So Rahman said, yeah, bring him along. So this guy went, he played some stuff to Rahman, and so Rahman said, okay, what did Sam do to you? And what Tucker said was...
It's a quotable quote, as they say.
Yeah,
okay,
he said, it gave me the ability to understand what exactly I'm doing. It gave me the ability to communicate with people around me very effectively. It gave me the ability to learn new material. It opened my mind to so many different things that I've never done before. And of course, it gave me a lot of, playing and experience in playing with other great musicians from across the world, so I'm honing my skills all the time.
Okay.
So Rahman very kindly said, you know what, after you finish that, why don't you come and intern with me for 2 weeks? So that's exhibit A of...
Okay.
The other thing is, it doesn't matter. I think today music directors are using good musicians. So it's not that you have to play 20 years in the industry, or I think that's totally gone. There's new guitarists being used, new singers.
Yeah, there are no union cards and all that stuff. It used to be important at one time to play for cinema. You have to get a union card.
Yeah, I know.
All that is not there. So a musician.
Independent bands. There's this girl called Shakti Shri who did a song in one of Rahman's new movies that came out. I think it was Rahman, so she was singing in an independent band. So these people are, getting picked up out of these things. So all I'm saying is it doesn't matter that we teach them something specific to that. It's just that we teach them how to be good musicians.
So it's almost like a little bird learning how to fly. Once you taught the basics,
and we have...
You just go find your own levels.
We have people who came to us who are already music directors and producers in some wood. And who went out and continued doing that. We have kids who are coming out playing a lot of sessions for a lot of movies and stuff. Of course, our president Prasanna himself has done movies like 18 to 9 and Smile Pinky, stuff before that. So a lot of SAM students actually sang on all those background tracks. Okay. So that's just a part of the process. I don't know if we should do anything differently. If we do audio engineering or music production or stuff like that, which I think we're going to start doing very soon. Because I find very good, decent guys who can even mix sound for the live gigs that I do in Chennai. So I'd love to educate a few good sound engineers.
Okay. So in other words, people who are coming to you are not really coming with any professional thing in mind. They're just coming because the musicians want to learn some tips from some really good guys who come to your institute, and so maybe they're traveling in or they're visiting. So do they also get a chance to interact with some visiting musicians?
Well, we're probably referring to the guys who come for the short camps that we do.
Yes.
So we do camps for every set of faculty. We do a camp that allows other students who are not a full-time diploma students to interact with these guys and live with them and just hang out with them 24/7.
And tell me, it's an expensive process. Just getting a degree. You said it's 2 years. How long are these courses?
The longest diploma we have is 2 years now.
Okay.
Which is 4 semesters, and each semester is about 2.9 lakhs in tuition fees, plus living expenses depending on if you want AC, non-AC, and blah, blah, blah. But the nice thing is all the rooms are all serviced apartments, so all you have to do is your laundry, I don't think that concept exists in
And
any
then you
other.
just have disposable cups for all the alcohol that's put away and clean up the room.
Actually,
You
a lot of
need,
cups get
room,
broken.
No room service and stuff. You just chuck everything away. But so that's what it's a highly interactive atmosphere. I mean, from what I understand, it's like informal.
Very, very informal, very much like a family, including the students and the faculty. We have many faculty wanting to come back and teach.
Okay.
We've had faculty from, I think, like 21 countries come and teach so far. About 70 of them, and some of them extremely at the height of their music
Prowess.
careers.
Okay.
Jordan Rudess was here,
All
Dream
right.
Theater's keyboardist. We had this guy called Daphnis Prieto, who's a MacArthur fellow, this Cuban drummer. I mean, completely incredible. Benny Greb is a very well-known drummer from Germany.
All have made their presence felt
All of them
at SAM.
Yes, all of them have taught at SAM.
Okay.
So we've got, we have Fulbright scholars coming and studying with us. We have students who have, degrees from Oberlin Conservatory, and we have students who have masters from Manhattan School of Music, and
Okay.
people like that coming and saying, okay, I just want to hang on to this place.
So this is
6
basically
months. Yeah.
intended for people who want to learn instruments other than the traditional Indian ones. Sitar, veena, this, that, and the other. You're not into that school of music.
Well, we have a very strong Carnatic component.
You do?
To our course.
Okay.
That's interwoven very nicely with our contemporary and world music curriculum. We have Gautam Karthik this semester.
Yes.
A guy called Prapancham Ravindran who's teaching Mridangam.
So how did you compare your institute with anybody else in the country? I mean, is there anyone like your, any other place like yours?
I wouldn't take the time to do that, because frankly I haven't seen anything else like this done, run, felt, everything so
Okay.
strongly.
Okay.
I'd be happy to have some nice competition out there. I know there are many good schools, and I know there are many people with strong intent doing this.
Or maybe good teachers and students, but there's no institution as such which dedicates itself to
Yes.
music as much as this.
Yeah, but
SAM
then
has.
we bring the teachers here, right? So that's part of the thing. We give them the facilities.
Okay.
We have some incredibly well stocked instruments and everything.
Good
there.
library. And,
Yeah, we have like
oh,
26 drum sets,
Okay.
like 25 Mesa Boogie amps, and when people are trying to rent a Mesa Boogie amp all over India, there's 25 lying around in the college.
Wow.
What
So
can
you're
I say?
well funded when it started.
When we started, yes.
All right, so when you come back, we'll just have to go over this one thing about how does it prepare them to become independent producers? Are they just going to play musicians, or does it teach them to be a full career, go out there and make your mark in this world?